Hi, I'm Glory St. Germain. Do you find your mind wandering with too many things to think about? As a music teacher, how can you use a meditation technique to center yourself and stay focused? We've created the Ultimate Music Yoga program. I'd like to share an easy meditation technique that you can use anytime. Here's Heather Kolonkowski with an Ultimate Music Yoga tip.
Meditation. Ooh, everybody's doing it. Scary word, but it's very easy, and it's something that you can do anytime, anywhere, when you're feeling overwhelmed, flustered, going in 10 million directions, and you just can't seem to get anything done. First thing you should do, find a comfortable place just to sit down, even if it's in the parking lot in your car, just for a few minutes. Take some time, get yourself comfortable, and then just close your eyes and turn your attention to your breathing. Taking a couple of breaths, paying attention to the movement in your chest, and then breathe to a count of 5, filling the chest, diaphragm, and lower abdomen. So you would inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhaling to the count of 5, 3, 4, 5, and exhaling 2, 3, 4, 5. Both gives you an opportunity to slow down physically, and it gives your mind something very simple to focus on so it can calm down, become centered, and then you can feel more focused, more energetic, and carry on with the rest of your day. For these and other wonderful healthful tips, please go to ultimatemusicyoga.com. Namaste.